going to be focusing on energy name Phillips 66, symbol PSX. Let's take a look at the chart. I've already put some markings in on the chart here. Let's take a look at it. And as you can see from the early part of summer, the stock really went on a nice run as gasoline prices were up, energy prices were higher, and we have a nice series of higher highs and higher lows in the chart. And we see in the candlesticks had moved from a pink and purple area to teal and then to light blue. Now, what does that mean? Teal or light blue in the go, no go composite of indicators tells us that the stock is bullish, right? So once it moved into that light blue phase over here, it just continued to move on, and it has some bullish momentum. All the other indicators that we show here, the MACD, the chicken money flow, and the TDI, which is the Traders Dynamic Index, all were bullish back then. And then we hit a level about $120 to $122 that the stock stalled. Buyers kind of stopped buying it, and we pulled back for a little bit. So we're kind of in a little consolidation area right now. You can see we're making some higher lows, but we also have some lower highs. But on Monday and Friday of last week, we saw the stock break above that nice downtrend line. Didn't confirm it on Monday from Friday, but we're still looking for some higher prices, maybe up to that 119, 120 level. And once we get above there, I think we have some upside to go here. And you can see for the MACD is starting to turn positive again. Also money flow here. You can see from the early part of October is making higher lows and is back over zero. And then the Traders Dynamic Index, which is the TDI at the bottom here, it tells us where relative strength is on the stock versus Bollinger Bands. This is also on a bull signal too. So we've had some good volume trends as well. So I think that this stock, obviously, you've got to deal with this overhead resistance. And from the highs back in the early part of September. But once we get through that, I think we have some higher prices on Phillips 66. I'm looking at probably about 130 by the first quarter of 2024, which would be a nice gain from here, about 10%. So take a look at PSX. I have some calls on it, and about into January and February at the money calls in the service, and we also have some in the chat room. So take a look at Phillips 66 when you get a chance. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.